Hey guys, for more reviews just hit the subscribe button below and stay tuned. I upload weekly for you the best audio system reviews. Want to help me? Just leave a like and share my content. Let's see what we have today.
No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I sit here every day, waiting for the moment I will feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we let it fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade away? You said that you've been searching, silencing my mind, trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything I let us see, the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we let it fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade
Yo guys, tough choice. Which one sounds better? Leave me your comments below. They are very important for me. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Have a nice day guys.